Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast your Android device's screen to TCL 32V5C TV. First of all, make sure both your TV and your Android smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on the TV, navigate to Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select Network and Internet. Make sure that your TV is connected to the internet, to the Wi-Fi specifically, and make sure that one of the networks has a connected status next to it. And on your Android smartphone, swipe down the control center and make sure that it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. And to start casting your screen, you're gonna have to swipe to the cast option in your quick settings menu on your iPhone, on your Android smartphone. And if you don't see it here, you're gonna have to tap on the edit icon, swipe down and find cast option among other tiles. In my case, it's located in connectivity tab. So once you add it to your quick settings menu, just tap on it. And then just find your TV on the list and select whether you want to cast just one app or an entire screen. In case you want to cast just one application, tap next and select an application that you want to cast to your TV screen. Otherwise, if you want to cast an entire screen, then you're gonna have to select the respective option. Right here, cast entire screen, select start casting, and the screencast will begin immediately. Now you'll see everything that happens on your phone on the screen of your TV. And if you want to stop screencasting, you just have to swipe down the control center once again, navigate to the cast tile and tap on it and select disconnect. Besides, you can also manage the cast settings on your TV. If you go to settings and navigate to navigate to device preferences, then scroll down to Google Cast option, open it, and here you have just one additional control option. So you can let others control your media. So when you are when you are casting the screen, you'll be able with this feature enabled, you'll be able to control the media that you're casting to your TV screen. And you have three options. You can either always allow your external devices to do this while they are casting media, or never, if you don't ever want them to control your cast media. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.